Does foot pain
Ouch.
drive you insane?
Ugh.
Plantar fasciitis, heel pain, arch pain, foot tingling are all signals that you need relief now. Introducing Futzuki, the pain-relieving reflexology mat that once you step on, the pain is gone.
That pain there is gone.
Feels like pure relief. When I stepped on Futzuki, my pain was gone.
Futzuki combines the ancient art of reflexology with innovative healing design to create the world's best relieving foot care breakthrough.
My feet don't ache me.
My pain is gone.
I've had plantar fasciitis for 2 or 3 years. Stepping on this, it feels a lot better. I don't want to get off now.
Look, the minute you step on Futzuki, you'll begin to feel the over 2,800 reflexology points start to massage the heels, arch, pad, and toes of your feet, sending pain-relieving signals.
The Futzuki is based on reflexology. Reflexology works with the pressure points on the bottom of the feet to help reduce pain and to help circulation.
Futzuki was designed to provide temporary relief for heel pain, arch pain, even foot tingling.
Wow, it works.
Hey, Linda, this is really good. I'm going to steal this one when they're not looking.
Call or go online now to get your Futzuki pain-relieving reflexology mat for the special TV introductory price of just $19.99. And because we want you to feel Futzuki relief all day, we'll send you a pair of massaging Futzuki insoles absolutely free. As soon as you get it, step on it and see for yourself. If it doesn't work, send it back for a full refund. No questions asked. Get rid of your pain today, the Futzuki way. Call or go online now to Futzuki.com. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online to get yours.